Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial, but my husband is going to be doing my makeup. I'm scared.
Nah, nothing to be scared about, guys. Or yourself.
You don't even know the steps!
Cool. Easy,
So-
it's a cakewalk. I taught her everything she knows.
No. Okay, so I pulled out a couple different things. Foundation, eyeshadows, some brushes. I pulled out a couple different things, and he's just going to have to do step by step and see if he remembers what I normally do. If you really watch my videos, or if you really watch how I do my makeup.
We'll find out.
Oh God, I'm gonna look like a fucking clown.
Ha ha.
Baby boy, I'm scared. Okay, so if you want to see my husband do my makeup,
Stay tuned and keep watching.
please keep watching. Okay, what do you do?
All right.
What's the first thing you want to do? Do you want to start off with like my whole face, or do you want to like start off with my eyes?
No, we're gonna start with the whole face.
Okay, so what?
I like to see the big picture.
What's the first step? And I'm not gonna look. I can't look, so I'm gonna face like this.
All right.
What's the first step?
First.
Oh, I didn't wet my beauty blender, so you're gonna have to use a brush. That's the only thing I'm gonna give you. This is a foundation brush, because I don't need you fucking up my other brushes. This is a foundation brush.
All right.
Okay, so what goes on?
We're gonna go with foundation first. Of
goes
course.
on first.
Foundation.
But, okay. Nothing before that?
Nope.
Nothing before that?
Nope.
Okay. Oh God. That feels like a lot.
All right. So guys, we're using
Yeah, tell them what we're
Wet n Wild foundation. Yep, that one. Then you're gonna use this brush, right? You're gonna circular motion. Circle motion. You gotta blend it.
You're barely pushing. I feel like it's sitting in one spot.
Nope, you gotta blend it. All right. Ooh, look at that. Fucking beautiful. You gotta do circle motion. Alright. Now we're gonna do this side.
Don't mind the way I look. I know I'm not going to look so pleasant in the end, so I really didn't care what I looked like for the video. Sorry, I don't trust you that much. Because you already... Ouch! Jesus Christ!
It's drying.
Well, because you missed a step.
What step?
We can't go back. We can't go back.
Alright. Oh, I know this one. We're gonna use
What is that? You just used that on my face.
This a foundation?
Yes.
Whatever. Oh, concealer. So this is what you're gonna do is it's gonna conceal the face.
Baby boy, help your mom. You
No.
didn't even... No, I'm just not going to say anything. No foundation for my forehead or my neck.
Oh, alright, so we're gonna use the other foundation now.
So we're mixing? What's the next foundation? Tell them. Yeah, how are you going to get that out?
Hold on, give me a second.
So you're mixing...
Oh my god! There it is, there it is.
Thank God it's a drugstore foundation. Oh!
Yeah.
Oh my God!
It's fucking beautiful. The foundation I'm using is L'Oreal True Match.
L'Oreal.
L'Oreal. Can't even speak here.
You pushed too hard on my neck.
Alright. Hey, remember, beautiful is not easy. I'm so beautiful.
Oh my God.
Beautiful.
Watch that little foundation finger.
Beautiful. Oh man.
Ouch!
Oh, god damn. Yo. Woo. This is gonna be fucking awesome. Alright. We gotta use... No, photo finish. This is last. Oh, right here. So it's set.
That's...
Supposed to be the first step, but I'm doing it backwards. My way or the highway.
You can tell me when you're gonna spray. There's glitter in that one.
Alright, this one is Cover FX. Illuminating. Right.
So we set the foundation before the rest of my makeup.
Yes.
And you blend it in more after you set it?
Beautiful. Oh, man, I'm so fucking awesome. I did this concealer.
What concealer are you using?
Oh, concealer is Born This Way.
Too Faced.
Too Faced.
Little goes a long way. That's all I'm gonna say.
Little goes a long way.
That's expensive.
This suspense. So this one goes right by your eye. I know this one. Ooh. Whoop. Oh, snap. Alright. Now we're gonna use the blender again. Oh man, this can make you look like a fucking $1,000,000.
Oh, that's really like close to my eyeball.
You wanna be beautiful?
What are you saying? I'm not beautiful?
Ha!
Tell them what you're using.
We're gonna use e.l.f. Eyes, Lashes, Face. Is that right?
I don't even know what e.l.f. stands for, maybe. It's a illuminating powder. So what are you gonna use this for?
To illuminate you.
Where? Okay. There. You need to be easy on my neck.
Gentle, Ben.
I'm scared.
Uh,
My face brushes are in that bucket over there. That's all I'm saying. You need to figure out what's in there. And I pulled other things out too, so look at your options before you just take one thing.
I like this one. Ha!
What kind of brush is that?
I don't know.
Does
Fucking.
it still say? Read it.
I don't know what it is.
Okay.
Airbrush. Oh my god, foundation.
Yeah, you just dipped what in that? Fucking blush. Oh my god. Just go with it.
Number 6. 106. This is for
This is for what?
the eyes. It'll blend it.
Which color are you using? I thought you just picked up blush. Oh god. Show them which one you're putting under my eye.
This one right here. Oh, we're using Becca. Be Fearless.
Be the light palette. I'll help you out.
Yep, we're gonna use the top one.
Woo. The bottom says what the thing, right under here.
That's too much work. Tarte's Glow Kit. A Pro Glow. What is this?
All I'm gonna say is the brushes you use are in here. That's it. I'm not telling you which one. Same brush? Okay. Same brush. Oh god.
We're using this color to give it a little tannish look. Right?
Get on your tan level.
Yup, my tan level.
Just paint the whole face with it.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay.
When you look at yourself in the mirror, you're gonna be like, God damn, babe.
You better really be trying.
I am trying.
Okay.
You're so beautiful.
I hate you.
Okay. Here we go. See, we're gonna use Blending Brush by Sigma E25. And we're gonna use Tarte Tetris Pro.
Tartist Pro palette.
Alright.
Tarte.
This is for the eyes. You look like you want to go with no filter today. Oh, shit. Stop. Close your eyes. You want to look beautiful?
Why are you putting that there?
Huh?
Nothing.
Yeah, better say nothing. Close your eyes.
My eyes are closed! Your breath smells like soy sauce. Wait, I got an itch.
Well,
I got an itch over here.
I don't want to use this one anymore.
Yeah, I pulled some brushes out there.
We're gonna use Sigma E35 blending.
So we're going with a smaller blending brush. Like, he likes to start out at the bottom of my eyes first.
We're supposed to start at the top.
I'm just saying. You do it differently. That tickles.
Let me see you. Great.
Do you want to put mascara and do you want to put a wing liner on my eyes?
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna do a wing liner. Haha. This is for the wing liner right
No.
here. It
Oh,
says angled liner. Where's-
Okay, well, I was going to give you a different one. I can't look that way.
I know, but
So-
where's the...
No, if you go in the last drawer, there's a black, or there's colors. I use those liners.
We're gonna use NYX
NYX.
Vinyl Liquid Liner.
Why are you standing?
Because... Okay, watch out.
Oh, you need to tell them what you're doing. You applied the liquid liner.
So I
Now
applied
what
the
are you
liquid
doing?
liner, and now I'm just gonna straighten it out with this angled liner.
Brush.
Right.
If you want mascara, they're in the second two drawers.
What does some mascara do?
Don't know, you tell me.
Oh, I know what mascara is.
What is it?
This goes for your eye.
Oh God, you better not poke me. Oh, that was eyeball close. Oh.
Stop. Alright, face this way. I need more. I knew what a mascara was. You're so beautiful.
Anything with my eyebrows?
Nah, your eyebrow looks good.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't want to use that one. Where can I get a pad for this?
What do you mean a pad?
To use it.
Use a brush. Pick a brush.
Uh-huh. I'm gonna use ColourPop brush because it looks like it has the same color. Put it by the nose to make your nose a little pinkish.
Am I Rudolph?
Rudolph the red-nosed
Oh
reindeer.
my God.
Now I'm gonna do you on your cheeks so you look like you're blushing when you see me.
Yeah, that's it. I ain't gonna be blushing later.
Oh, brown eyebrows.
He said I didn't need anything on my brows.
No, you know what?
Baby
Shit.
boy, he's trying to put something on my brows. No. What are you going in with?
Sephora, rose gold color.
Okay. Going in with the detailing brush, sure.
Remember, it's all about the details, guys. Details. Alright, that looks good.
I hate you. Not this week.
Alright.
You could have done that. I'm not questioning.
You're questioning me.
I'm not questioning.
Oh, you know what? We're gonna go with
It rubbed off. It's ColourPop.
ColourPop. Pink color. Ooh.
Oh boy, that tickles when someone else does it.
Give me the duck face. Duck, there you go. Duck face. Alright. Beautiful. That's beautifully executed. And then now we're just gonna... The setting spray again.
I closed my eyes myself. You could have told me.
Alright. And there you guys have it.
We're finished.
Yep. What do you guys think?
What do you think, baby? No pictures. I need to look at myself.
No.
I need a mirror.
Not yet. Give me a sec.
What do you mean not yet?
Let's call your mama.
Alright. Attaboy, Dan.
He did my makeup and what did he do?
Attaboy, Dan. That had your ammo all over it.
I'm not looking because I didn't even get to look at myself yet.
Oh, I thought popped you in the head.
You gave me a black eye!
Hang on, let me show mommy. Hang on, stay there. Dan did her eyes. I'm gonna kill
I beat him up.
I'm not looking because I didn't get to look yet.
Let me see. Yeah, you look like you were punched in the face.
That's my boy, Dan.
Yo,
Dan! How is that a wing? Are you kidding me? And he's sitting here snapping it. Can you not? Oh my. You didn't really do too bad on my lips. You don't watch my videos for you to understand how to do makeup.
and guys, this is what my wife looks like after my makeup video.
I don't even know how that is a wing. Never doing my makeup again. I'm gonna walk out the house looking like this?
I hope not.
Yeah, exactly. So how do you think you did a great job? Bear, look. Look at Mommy's face. Thanks for watching. I know, Bear. My dog hates it.
Bye, guys.
You gonna help me take this off?
Yeah. Who's gonna do the introduction, me or you?
It's my video.
Okay.
You're just here.
Alright.
Because people want to see you more.
Uh-huh.
I don't know why. Bear,
Give you a kiss.
kiss
I love
my
you.
pink lips. Kiss them.
Ah! That's fucked up.
No, it's not. What's fucked up is what's on my face. Yeah. There. It's horrible. It's horrible. What did he do to your mama?